Okay, so now you've grouped your information, you've organized it, you've gone through and underlined and color-coded it. Now step 3 is to write your categories on draft paper and get started getting it down on paper. So you're going to use this organizer that I have a screenshot of here. This organizer has 3 different parts that I want you to pay attention to. The first box is the thesis statement. Your thesis will be on every page. It'll be in a red box every time. Your thesis statement is also known as your opinion statement. So it's just the statement where you're going to state what your whole opinion piece is about. The second part of this organizer is the list of categories. So each page represents a different category. So you're going to make sure that you type the name to your categories that you came up with in step 1 and 2 on each page. Step 3 is the evidence that fits into the category. So each page will have a huge space where you can copy and paste, or you can type the evidence that you came up with that goes in that category. So let's take a closer look at this organizer. All right, so here's your organizer. At the top, again, is your thesis statement. And then you'll notice category 1 and this box are in orange. So this is where you're going to type all of the evidence that you came up with that you either highlighted or underlined in orange. So you're going to type the name of your category here, and then any evidence that you came up with that fit on that category is going to be typed up here in bullet points. So we're not getting to the point where we're writing in sentences yet. Right now, we're just listing all the sentences that we came up with in order. So if you wrote it as a sentence, I want you to type it here the exact same way you wrote it so that it will be really easy to put our story together in the end. Then if you go to page 2, you'll notice this page is in green. So any information you highlighted or underlined in green will go here. Any information that you highlighted or underlined in blue is going to go here. And then any information that you highlighted or color-coded in purple is going to go here. So each page is going to represent a different type of information. So be careful that anything you highlighted in orange, when you type it up here, double check that it goes together. If you have it all typed up here and it doesn't go together, then you got some work to do and figure out which pages really should go on. So take the time to type up all your information and put it on each of these categories.